Dr. Hotze here. I wanted to introduce you to one of our longtime guests here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, Melinda Humphrey. Melinda, welcome back.
Thank you.
She's been a guest for 20 years, and her husband been a guest how long?
I think 5.
Well, that's great. Usually what happens, the wife comes in,
Yeah.
finally the old guy gets
Get
on
in
and says,
there.
come on, let's get in there and get you up and going.
Yeah.
And I think you have other members of your family that come.
My mom before she passed away, and then just several friends I referred.
Well,
that they've
that's
come.
great.
Yeah.
So tell us, 20 years ago, what made you decide to come in? You're a young woman. You would have been very young then.
Yeah, I had perpetual headaches, body ache, just a lot of crazy symptoms. And every time I go to the doctor, they say, "Well, you're just going to be tired because you have a lot of children." And they're
How
not
many-
wrong. But
She doesn't really have a lot. How many do you have?
I have 10. We have 10
10
kids.
children.
Yes. I
She
think
beat
I
my
had-
wife and I, who have 8. And I was talking in the reception room and said, "We have 8 kids," bragging. She goes, "I outdid you. I've got 10."
It showed you. So I think I had 8 when I came in. And so just body ache, headache, fatigue, just felt horrible. And I had a great moment because y'all actually listened to what I said and didn't just try to put me on a bunch of meds that were not going to be successful.
So this 20 years later, I know which got you on a good eating program. You look marvelous. I mean, I know women that haven't had any children that don't even match. I mean, look at this. You look grand.
Well, thank you.
So, and we put you on some good eating program, which you've obviously followed. You've been on some thyroid medication.
Thyroid, hormones, all
Female
those.
hormones, vitamins and minerals.
Oh, yeah.
You exercise at all?
Not as much as I should. Yeah.
Well, this is a great story. So let me ask you, on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being brimming with energy, 0 no energy, and the way you felt, how would you rate yourself when you first came in? What was your level?
Maybe like 3. It was pretty low.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how would you rate yourself now?
Most days at 10. Some days, you know.
Now, this is remarkable. It's a wonderful story. And this is what we're in the business of doing, is helping people like Melinda and like you get on a path of health and wellness naturally. So as you mature, you got energy,
Yes.
you got vitality, and you've got enthusiasm for
There you
life.
go. I do.
Well, if you're interested in getting on that path of health and wellness, don't hesitate to give us a call here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center. I'm Dr. Steve Hotze. Thank you for joining us.